Let me show you how to recover the Proton Mail account. The recover process depends upon what you remember and what recovery methods you set up. So let me show you a quick example. If you head over to the All Settings option inside of Proton Mail, you'll have the option called Recovery. If you have not yet set up a recovery and you do not have access to your account, you no longer will be able to recover it. As you have not set up any recovery, if you've forgotten your password, there is no way of recovering it. But if you do have access to your account and just have forgotten the password, make sure you head over to this section, which is the recovery, and click on this safeguard option. And there are multiple ways that you can set it up, such as you can download your recovery kit, add in your phone number, or add in a email address, which is what I've added in. So you can choose one of these options. The best or the secure way is to download the recovery kit. This way it lets you recover all of the messages or the emails inside of it as well. So once you have this recovery enabled, you can now open up protonmail.me, click on the sign in button on the top right, and then click on trouble signing in. Click on forgot password and then type in your email address. Click on next. Complete this human verification. And it says right here, you'll lose access to all of your current encrypted data in your account if you continue. So this is a bit of a downside of adding in a recovery email or a phone number. Instead of a recovery phone number or an email, if you added in a security recover kit, you would not lose all of your data. But if you have added in just your email or your phone number, you can just add in your email right here. Click on send code. This way a verification code will be sent to your recover email. You just need to type it in and you'll be able to reset your password. But the downside of this is that you will lose all of your encrypted data on your account. So as long as you have access to your account, make sure you click on download your recovery kit and then click on this download button and store it in a safe place. So that was a quick tutorial video on the way that you recover your Proton Mail account. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.